Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you have broken EXE file associations on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Select run new task and you just need to check mark create this task with administrative privileges and you just need to type here cmd. Click on OK guys. And now in the command prompt window you just need to type ASSOC space dot exe equal to exe file. You just need to make sure you typed correctly. ASSOC space dot exe equal to exe file. Press enter after typing it, and you just need to, after finishing this command, close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, if you're still having a problem, then you just need to right click on the taskbar again, select task manager and select run new task over here, and same thing, you just need to type cmd and select create this task with administrative privileges and select OK. Now in the command prompt window you just need to type sfc space slash scannow. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. If you have any corrupted files in your computer, it will be fixed guys. You just need to wait for it. Verification need to get 100% guys. After finishing this 100%, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. Hopefully at this point your exe file association has been successfully repaired. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.